Raleigh Burner. First for 6. Quickly whipping up a path.
You like the stall there?
Okay, now. You winning?
It's pretty serious, guys. The C now, which is the GU one, which is a...
Which one's this, David?
This will be the 5 bucks, the next one then.
There's a 5 rad. This is the address for 5 burners.
Oh, we just passed Raleigh Way.
Did we?
Yeah, on our left.
Oh, I have to get a picture of that. Raleigh Way. What number are we looking for? 31. 27, it's going to be on your side there, 29, the one with the campers, how ironic.
It might well be.
Yeah, how ironic.
Yeah, got an American band, that's it.
Dave the Triller. Let's see what he's got in store. How many's your 5?
5. Keeping the size down is a big thing. There's one in there we just picked up, but we got another one to pick up on the way up now. And then we're done for the day. And that's the far as you can win.
That's number 6. All getting packed up, ready to come home. Got 4 there. There's another frame in the garage, one on the floor. I'll get one of these built up. Show the channel. So car locked and loaded to pick up. One more on the list. Yeah, Bromley.
To pick up a gold one. And what area did we just come from? We're just in these.
So this is, what number's this? Number 7 today.
It's number 7 today, yeah.
They all have the same brakes on them, don't they, and stuff like that. And
yeah, there was only...
Number 7.
Josh was just asking me earlier, he said, oh, what's the best? You've wasted some good stuff,
So,
right, I'll leave it with you then.
oh, thank you very much. No, cheers.
All right, getting back there.
cheers mate, can't fault you.
Lovely.
Righty-ho.
So what we got here now, you take the pedals off. That's what these are about, mate. These are the
It was the thing back in the day, mate. Instead of your playing card.
the trailers on there.
That's
There
a
you
really
go.
nice smoky dokies.
So number 7 going in the boot. A rally field there.
Oh, brilliant.
Let's have a look at this.
Glad we can squeeze it in.
Perfect, thanks mate.
Thanks, John.
Little freebie. Small rider.
Don't decide, man. You've got to sell the candidate. Give me a ring if you want to sell the candidate anytime.
What, can I ride this or what?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Minter. It's a Minter. Oh. Fair play.
Yeah.
But they won't touch anything like this.
Little touch here, Grey. Little freebie. Minter. Come on. Is it worth a sterling or anything? Loaded up. 2.5 hour drive back now. Been on the road since 8. There's 7 of them in here. I ain't got 6 left now. Just hope everything's going to be all original, but back to period. How them. Back. This is what they're going to look like. All original. Absolute minter.
Yeah. What's my cousin's?
Gonna be a few of these for sale, so if anyone is interested, fully restored, all original, Raleigh Burners, get in touch.